758. 758. Okay, what have we got? What have we got? Oh crap, I pressed the wrong button. Nothing. I've absolutely bottled it with Rolls Royce again, to be honest. There we go. Yeah, 73.1. Fuck. Shit. I hate myself sometimes. And Barclays is up, but Rolls Royce is down again. Barclays is shooting. IOG is down. Rolls Royce is down. It just keeps going down. It ain't stopping. Second line. Second stick. It's a funny old game, isn't it? Funny old game. Just trying to come back. No run in sight for Barclays. Oh, the S&P's down, that's why. The FTSE 100's up. Is that all world? Yeah, it must be. So that's down as well. They're all down except, oh my goodness, Barclays loves it. Where? Oh, yeah, man. I'm such a fool as well. I just absolutely hate myself. Sometimes. I look at 10 minutes, yeah. See, I should have cashed up here, man. I believe too much. 66.8 it went down to. The worst thing was it went right up to 100 once. Like 102. Like the day it went down. The day it went down 65%, it went back up to 102. And we all should have cashed out, and we all knew it, and none of it, and I didn't. And it's hurt me ever since. To be honest, because I'm an idiot and I don't really know what I'm doing. There we are. That's life. This could just keep going down. This could keep going down. But it's first 3 minutes, so it's, you know, it's hard to say. The S&P 500 is down. That looks quite steep. Oh my goodness. What kind of line is that? What is going on? .5, it's like a 0.2 difference, isn't it? What's that, 40%? Not 40%, 0.4%. 0.4%. In the 6 months is up 15%. So now, now we're looking at sort of like May time. So now we're completely and utterly missing March, which is when the big crash happened. Sort of mid-March. So it's kind of like mid-February to mid-March, it all went downhill. Because obviously different countries went into lockdown at different times. Oh, went down to 71.3. Dearie me. Dearie me. I can't believe I'm in at 81. That's such a piss take. I knew I should have cashed yesterday. Not yesterday, a couple of days ago, when it ended on about 83, 84. But then if it went up to 100, I think the possibility was very, very low. I just didn't really look into it. I really should have done. Oh hey man. I don't know, man. I don't know. I've got to wait it out. The lowest is 66. That's sort of the lowest it's been down to since it went down to 65%, like last week. Because I think by the end of the day it could easily be high 70s again, which is still like 10%. But then, what are the other stocks doing? Oil, see, it's up. Everybody's up today. Oil, except for obviously Royal Dutch, but BP is up. The banks are up. Ocado's up. Vodafone. And Aston Martin is up. See, Aston Martin is up, which is another car company. IAG is so weird, man. It's up again. 104. What's surprising is that hit 90 on Monday when lockdown was announced. And considering there's like hardly any flights still, because it's only essential flights, how that's just crept back up is unbelievable. What was it? Let's look at one day. Look at this. See, it went down to the annoying thing was it went down to I think it went down to like 90 on the actual day itself. Then it shot back up to 230, 250. Oh no, I think that was I think that was a very quick 250 in one of those like minute periods. But rough, I think it ended on like 230. Yeah, around here, 232, yeah, around here. 232. So that happened within a week. But because they issued did that 3-for-1 share thing, I think it's just diluted it all. So what's now the sort of the barometer it could go up to? That's the thing. Still far too out of my league, to be honest. I'm just hoping. Which isn't always a good thing. 81 I'm in. 81.3. Oh, yeah. See, at the moment it's just 10 minutes in. It's actually not done much, to be honest. Within the minute time frames, it comes down and just comes back up again. Which is why I think it won't go down. If it goes down under 70, it won't be for long. It will always keep over 70, I think. But that's because it's Rolls Royce. And they're quite an iconic company, really. But yeah, I would take my thoughts with a pinch of salt, to be honest. Down 30? It's not down 13%. What rubbish is that? Let me refresh. Get some proper numbers. Okay, down 2.5. The thing it has become is extremely volatile. Because like Monday, Tuesday, it was, I think, was it Monday, Tuesday this week? It went up like 12, 13, 14% or something outrageous. Because it went from like 66 to 80. And I just hoped it would keep going, but it never did. Should have cashed. Hindsight's a beautiful thing. So Aston Martin still up. Barclays is up 2%. IAG 1%. These are the US stocks. Weird thing is though, does it still? Yeah, look at this. US stocks are still up. Last 2 days, although even the presidency hasn't actually been confirmed yet. It's an absolute shit show. They're still going up. Urban and Civic. £3.50. Hello. What is this? London Stock Exchange. What type of company is it? Oh, that's not. I don't know. It just jumped up. That's the dream, innit? 215. 346. Urban and Civic. Let's look it up. Hold on. Urban and Civic. Urban and Civic strives to be a best-in-class property company which crafts strategic land sites and commercial developments. Lovely. Founded 1994. Interesting. Commercial developments. Probably had a big deal, I suppose. RSA Insurance is up 30%. Sport Tech's up 27%. Mears Group up 33%. Daily Mail in general. The International what? International Personal Finance PLC. Wow. God, it's trying, isn't it? It's trying. Deary me. That's crazy. Within a couple of minutes, went up. Yeah, started down, went up, then came right back down next minute, and now it's just trickled every minute since then. Oof. Yeah, Barclays is holding its own. HSBC is just about up. IAG, that's such a weird stock. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, just crazy. The first half an hour of IAG is actually so weird. Yeah, this is just. See, look at this. It's rejecting. It's rejecting. Now it's just going to come right back down, isn't it? No, I've said that. That's the commentator's curse, that is. Wait, why is it here? What's going on? There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice. That's just nothing, is it? That's just absolutely nothing. That doesn't help me at all. This is crazy, this stock. This is outrageous. What did it start as? 3.9 in May 2020. 3.4. So it's gone up 1,000. Well, more than 1,000%. 1,000%? Yeah. It's 10 times. It's gone up like 1,300%. Flippin' heck. Just had big spikes, didn't it? Yeah, I had a massive spike just this week, I think, or last week. Last week. Crazy. I think that's a Chinese one. An X-Peng as well, apparently. That's the one to look out for now. The people are loving these two ones because they just keep going up. They love it. About 5%. Kicked off on the same day, the 29th. Oh, this is. I think I remember when this came in. See, it was at 21. It's not. Went down to 17. I thought 35, but it fluctuates massively, which is what the people like. doesn't even fluctuate. Sometimes it just keeps going up. 35, like 1 or 2%, easy, very, very quickly. This is all yesterday. Look at this. The 5th yesterday, half 3. 30.6. Bam, 31. So even that's like, what, 0.5%? Just that little red there. 0.5%, just that little one. Just that little one. Look at all of these big ones on a minute as well. On a minute. Unbelievable, eh? Unbelievable. One day we'll catch something. We'll catch a marlin. Oh, it's not doing great, the S&P today. What's the FTSE doing? Oh, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's a miserable Friday. Just hanging around 72. Every time I think about this, I think of a different view. I was thinking of cashing out about 100 whenever that was going to be, because I thought it's going to happen. I thought it's going to happen potentially before the end of the month, because that's what it was looking like. Because it could easily go up very, very quickly, as we've seen in the past. But now I'm thinking, if it gets to 85 again, couple of quid, whatever it is, do you take it? Will it go down again? Once if it goes back down to 72, how would you feel if it then went up to 100? How long do you want to play the game? That's the question. Do you want to go into other stocks? I feel like I kind of do, because there's money to be made at the moment because they're so volatile. But you've got to know what you're doing, and I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm so intrigued about this one. So intrigued. I think like January, February time, depending on what this is on, and depending on, because as soon as there's a vaccine, bam, stocks are shooting up. Because everybody will believe, especially like airplane companies, airlines, and potentially car manufacturers as well. Could be. Depends if people have the money to buy a car, that's the question. Brand new cars as well, more importantly. But everywhere we're like, okay, vaccine time. I don't think it's going to come until, well, sort of spring next year, really, is it? But then obviously spring, summertime, it's out the flu season as well, isn't it? Which always helps. So, but then Rolls, what was it prior lockdown? It was like 300, I think. I could be wrong. Let's do one day because it's easier. What day are we looking for? Even in June it was 316. God, it went right up to 426 on the 8th of June. Wow, we had a massive increase. Crap, it was at 500. 530, 555. 10th of March. It's similar to IAG actually. But because they did because they did the rights issue, that does dilute shares. Which means I'm not sure if it really will ever get back to that. That's the thing, unless somebody comes in and buys loads. because I think everybody bought, and that's why it went up to like 100 on the same day. But then everyone's trying to wait again. We're all waiting, and that's the thing. That's why it's not going up massively not ever again. But at the moment, that's why it's not going up, because people are waiting. They're waiting for that big payday, that big 50%. I mean, it peaked at like 830. Is that this year? No, November 19. Nearly exactly a year ago. Wow, that's crazy. Is that 1,000? No. Yeah. That's over 1,000%. Wow. That's 1,000% for me as well. I mean, we'd be all rolling in it if everyone went up to like 800 tomorrow. Oh dear. Only in dreams, that is, mate. Only in dreams. Oh shit, 8:24. I got to clean my teeth. I'll be. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Alright, I got to go. Alright, we end at 72.2, 29 minutes in. I mean, it is what it is. It's a shit day. We'll get over it. We'll come back Monday. We'll see where we are. IAG, a strange old thing, looking at 104. HSBC, oh, it's gone back down. Barclays, oh, stayed up. Vanguard, S&P. Doesn't know what it's doing, let's be honest. Nobody knows what they're doing today. Cheers. Just watching. I'll see you later.